In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Udemy course from your account, or more accurately, how to archive it since direct deletion isn't an available feature. It's a pretty straightforward process, and I'll break it down into easy steps for you to follow along. So, let's get started. You'll begin by visiting your Udemy dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, the first thing you want to do is locate and click on the My Learning section. It's your central hub on Udemy, where all your courses are neatly organized and displayed. This feature is convenient as it helps you keep track of everything you're learning or currently enrolled in. After you've navigated to your My Learning section, scroll through your list of courses to find the specific one you want to get rid of. Perhaps it's no longer relevant, or you've completed it and simply want to tidy up your dashboard. Go ahead and select that course. This is usually done by clicking on the course title, which will take you to more options related to that course. Now, here comes the important part. Once you have the course opened, look at the right-hand side, and you will notice three little dots, often referred to as the ellipses icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu of various options. You might be surprised to discover that Udemy doesn't provide a direct option to delete a course permanently from your dashboard. Instead, what you'll find is the option to archive it. Archiving allows you to essentially hide the course from your main dashboard without permanently removing it from your account. It's a nifty feature for decluttering and managing your course list without losing access to any resources or content you might want to revisit later. Simply archive the course by selecting this option from the drop-down menu. Once you've archived the course, it will no longer appear in your active course list on the My Learning page. However, don't worry, it's still accessible. If you ever need to reference the material again or unarchive it, you can do so by navigating to your archived courses later. It's as if storing a book back into a cupboard that you can pull out anytime when needed. This makes archiving such a handy tool because it allows for flexibility and ensures nothing is permanently lost. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've effectively managed your Udemy courses. Remember, archiving is the next best thing to deleting, offering both organization and a bit of spring cleaning to your digital learning environment. It's all about maximizing your learning experience without the clutter. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!